birds build nests for their babies. They build many kinds of nests in many different places. The yellow warbler builds a nest on a tree, so its babies will be safe from other animals. The hummingbird is tiny, and so is its nest. Female hummingbird makes her nest from mosses, spider webs, and so on. Her babies are warm until they hatch, flicker nest inside the trees. When their eggs hatch, their parent birds bring food to the babies. The young birds stay safe inside the tree until they grow feathers. Barn swallow nest high from mud in the beams of an old barn. Turn nest on the ground. Their eggs look speckled like little stones.